we have to use the property 8. I don't know what that property is, but we have to estimate the value of this integration. So I know that this needs to be solved with integration by parts. So that is 0 to 2 of x times e raised to minus x dx. Since this is, if we use the ILATE rule, so in ILATE rule, the algebraic comes first and then comes the exponential. So this is algebraic, so that is the first term, and this is exponential, so that is the second term. So integration by parts says that the first term remains as it is. We integrate e raised to minus the second term, which is e raised to minus x. So integration of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x over minus 1. And we place the limits over here from 0 to 2. Minus the integration of differentiation of the first term. So differentiation of x is just 1. Integration of the second term, which is already written over here, e raised to minus x over minus 1. And this complete thing is once again integrated with respect to x within the same limits. So this will be minus x e raised to minus x within the limits of 0 to 2. And this minus and this minus will become plus. I'm sorry, there's one correction over here. This is e raised to minus x over minus 1. Minus and minus will become plus. So that's plus of 0 to 2 e raised to minus x dx. And all we have to do is integrate that other part as well, as in integration of e raised to minus x is minus of e raised to minus x within the limits of 0 to 2. So if you place the upper limit, that's negative 2 e raised to minus 2, minus, if we place the lower limit, then 0 times e raised to 0 is 0. And likewise here we have minus of, if we take minus sign out, we are left with e raised to minus x within the limits of 0 to 2. And uh, here as well, I think if there is some confusion, what we can do is we can take minus sign out from here as well. So this can be written as minus of x e raised to minus x within the limits of 0 to 2. So this will become minus of 2 times e raised to minus 2 minus 0, and minus of e raised to minus 2 minus e raised to 0. So this will become minus 2 e raised to minus 2 minus of e raised to minus 2 minus e raised to 0 is 1. So if you open up the parentheses, that is minus negative 2 times e raised to minus 2 minus e raised to minus 2 plus 1, which is negative 3 e raised to minus 2 plus 1. So this is the final answer. Thank you.